Right now, I'm on my way to get gas and go buy an ink cartridge for my printer because I ran out of ink, and I really, really need it. This is what I gotta have. X1100 series. Okay. Alright, I got my ink cartridge here at the Walmart, and I gotta get gas. Yay. Hello everyone. That's your brain. Now this is your brain on drugs. See the difference?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, man, there's like half a bridge there. Oh my gosh! Holy crap! That's scary. The first stop's a doozy! Haha!
I used to ride that bus when I was back in school, when I was in like 8th grade. Bus 296.
I used to ride the bus. Yes, that's true. I rode the bus.
That's what I put in gas, and that's what I freaking paid. Unbelievable. But now the fun part. Ready? Remember, this is my favorite part of getting gas. Woo! Just watching that gas gauge go way to the other side. There's a fire somewhere. I'm a monkey. You're a monkey dog. Let me, pet me. Come here. Come here. Yay, we're dancing. Oops. Oops. And I have a driver's license. Oops. I didn't do it. Oops. We're gonna take the camera, we're gonna strap it to the back, we're gonna set it in the back here and see what happens. Probably not the white. Just like so not the smartest thing ever to do. My job is constantly having fun. This lights up. I got an idea. Okay, ride's over.
On drugs, bitches! Look at that! That's your brain, motherfuckers! That's your brain, man! Your brain on drugs! Yeah! Here, you want some drug brains?